Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we look at an amazing shipping container home in Ross, Northern Territory, Australia. This cozy converted shipping container home is a welcoming haven to the serenity of the Red Desert Ranges, Australia. On the interior, the entire living area is a wall of floor-to-ceiling glass doors. The lounge area features a beautiful leather couch with a chaise for stretching out and relaxing with a morning cup of tea. The sliding glass doors open onto a covered deck and a terrace perfect for outdoor sitting. Furthermore, the sliding glass doors can be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation and daylighting. Next to the living room is a cozy master bed. The bed features a king-sized bed, spacious walk-in robes on either side of the bed, and clothes drying racks. From the bedroom is an outdoor bathroom that has a large bathtub. The bath converts to a shower at the press of a button. The outdoor bathroom is also equipped with a toilet, a vanity, and a bathroom mirror. Behind the lounge area is a modern kitchen. The kitchen features quality and modern kitchen appliances, enough storage cabinets, a slit window for lighting up the sink space, and lots of counter space for kitchen preparation and quality finishes. The kitchen cabinets are painted in a shade of black, bringing out the much needed color to contrast with the white painted interior walls. Next to the kitchen is a cozy reading and coffee corner space. The hardwood floors are used throughout the home, creating a warm and welcoming feel. The house has a big covered outdoor deck, which forms the heart of this amazing desert home. It is a nice place for social activities, allowing the living space to expand to the outdoors, creating an interesting indoor-outdoor relationship. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are also visible on the exterior, bringing out the industrial characteristics of this amazing house. This beautiful house is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are equally encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this kind of content, where we feature amazing weekly videos of shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.